Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to add cinematic CapCut filter or CapCut mobile. Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to add cinematic CapCut filter in CapCut mobile, Android or iOS. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and I show you how to do it. Alright, open App Store or Google Play and click on search and write CapCut and click on search. Open CapCut and click on update or install or open. Alright, and open CapCut and open CapCut and create new project and click on new project or your project and select videos and click on add and select video, scroll and press filters. These all filters in CapCut and Pro, Live, Movie, Mono, Retro and 8K preset, and click on Movie and select your like it filters and press GTA 3. Alright, click on Done and check. Alright, select video and press filters and change preset Black Panther and drag circle and change duration. Alright, open Gamer and loading, yes, and click on Barbie and click on Retro 19 and Film, Nostalgie and 8K filters, VHS. Alright, that's all.